Hey y'all, this is just a follow-up of the video I made before about the removable bed. Alright, I printed something else out. This is a spool holder, an empty spool holder organizer. It's for inland filament, the cheap stuff that you buy at Micro Center. So when I'm finished with this roll of PTEG, it's almost done, then I'll use this to store whatever in. That's just the model. But this is another model where you would have trouble getting it off the bed without damaging the sides of it. So boom, once I stick that in there, that surface is going to be marred for sure. These corners. Alright, so I still don't have a camera mount. I'll print one up, I guess. But since my last video, more magnets have came in, and so I've doubled up the magnets. Now there's something like 18 magnets on each side. Pull it out, maybe we can get a look at it. You see where I had a single magnet? Now I've just doubled them up, and then that adds more magnetic force to hold the bed. So I just wanted to do that for bigger models. I think these things like this and what I printed before really don't need it, but if I print something really tall, I just want to be sure that the bed won't move. And as you can see, I don't know what happened with that one line, but since all the other layers are in line, it's not a layer shift for like one strand of filament, and it's only, is it only there? Yeah, it's not even on the other side. Anyway, okay, what this video is about is the magnetic bed. So here it is. Now it's completely off. I should be able to just... Oh. Okay, this one's coming off. Alright. This is going to be a much better demonstration. And there's no small parts to break off here. So I hear a lot of flexing here. And I apologize for the camera, guys. Ooh. Alright, that looks like it's just about ready to fall. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put it down like that. I should be able to just grab it now. Ooh, money. Money. Look at that. Look at these surfaces. Clear, no part marks anywhere. Alright. And this one, oh, that one came off too. Perfect surface. Alright, the only thing I can do is, I'll let you guys know the next time I make another video, it will be with one of these TH3D mats. I figure this is already nice. It's already the proof of concept. That's not the term. Poosh already did this. Everyone's already did this. But, my application is working for me with the magnets silicone to under the bed. So I think I'm going to get rid of the tape. And I'll use this here from Tim Holigan. Alright, I'll just put this on the metal sheet, of course, like that, but it should go. I'll just peel this adhesive off, and the thing about it is I could have my friend cut me up some more metal sheets, and then I could use tape. I could use the TH3D Studios mat. I could use PEI, whatever. I could use Build Tack, because this system works. Alright, I even think I have some spare magnets that I could show you guys. Do I? Come on. You gotta be prepared when you make these videos. Oh, I'm sorry. Where are they? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. What am I gonna do? Show it in the next video? Yeah, we'll do that. Alright, because I swore I had some more of those magnets, but I could just show you how they come. Oh, here we go. Alright, sorry guys. Okay. These are how the magnets come from, I think the name is Applied Magnetics. You know, the link is in the description. You know, you get these. They got the plastic spacers in between, and these are $2.99 each. If you buy them in higher quantities, you can get them cheaper. But the thing about these magnets are they can withstand heat without losing any magnetic power. Okay? If you get just any magnet, what happens if you heat it up too hot? They lose magnetic strength. So now all of a sudden, in our application, your magnetic bed won't stick. Alright? These magnets can withstand up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So I don't know what that is in Celsius. Of course, I'm doing 3D printing. I should tell you guys the Fahrenheit temperature. This guy is all over the place. Anyway. We have undamaged parts. We have parts that we didn't have to scrape and cut our fingers with. That's the point of this. Alright. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.